Cannabis dispensaries and delivery companies have a cash problem. Business is booming and sales are up. Happy owners are transporting loads of cash to their banks. The problem is that both customers and banks would rather you accept payments by card. Unfortunately, believe it or not, banks don't like cash. As the cannabis industry becomes more mainstream, it is still restrained from traditional services like credit card processing. Customers want to spend freely and use their credit cards. They want to earn those air miles just like they do at the grocery store. The problem is that credit cards are still illegal to use in the eyes of federal regulators. This leaves consumers frustrated and costs dispensaries and delivery companies valuable sales. Other companies solve this with workarounds and deception. Businesses never know who or what they are working with, and neither does their bank. When these solutions get caught, it costs everyone. Businesses' deposits are frozen or seized, fines are levied, and potential criminal charges are looming. The bank who was unknowingly supporting the solution and the feds now have to launch a fraud and money laundering investigation. So that we can understand why accepting card payments for cannabis is so difficult, we need to first understand that there are a lot of entities involved with every credit card transaction. Every party in the transaction flow must know that the transaction they are involved with is for cannabis. Additionally, the sponsor bank that actually funds the transaction to the merchant's bank must verify that the merchant's bank has a cannabis compliance program in place to meet federal guidelines and reporting requirements. Without full transparency throughout the entire transaction chain, there cannot be compliance. Wouldn't it be great if an acquiring or sponsor bank worked with the networks and federal regulators to develop a compliant payment environment for cannabis? An environment that was fully transparent and all the banks involved had a cannabis compliance program in place? Well, we've done just that. We've worked with our banking partners to put together all the pieces and provide the first truly compliant cannabis payment processing option. We call it True PIN Debit because this is not a cashless ATM. Your customers can now check out just like they do at any other store. No roundups, no change, no checkout confusion, no customer applications or driver's license scans. Simply no workarounds, just simple, fast, and secure payment processing. Finally, fair access to financial services is a reality. Now your customers can simply pay for their goods like they do anywhere else throughout their day. Our compliant payment processing provides you with the comfort of full transparency, knowing your bank, knowing your processor, with no contracts, no early termination fees, no application fee, and no annual fee. Let's move the cannabis industry forward with legitimate and sustainable solutions together. Get started today at bankcardinternationalgroup.com or give us a call at the number below.